Good morning to all. Today our chapter is percentage application of percentage. That is one of the part is sale tax and value added tax. How to calculate? See, one question given: the list price of a refrigerator. List price means basic price of a refrigerator. Refrigerator given 14,650, and the rate of sale tax. A rate of sale tax given, that is 6%, and you have to find out the cost price of the refrigerator. First of all, you see, list price of the refrigerator given 14,650, rate of sale tax is 6%. Therefore, sale tax will be how much? How much sale tax will be charged? That will be 6% of list price, that is 14,650. This is nothing but 6 by 100. Percentage given 6 by 100 into 14,650. 1 0 cancel here. Again it will go by 2, 2 3, 2 5. Just it will go by 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 9 is 45. 5 3 is 15. Just multiply 3 into 293. How much coming? 3 3 is 9. 3 9 is 27. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 8. 879 is the sale tax you have to pay. Therefore, the cost price of the refrigerator will be list price plus sale tax. The list price means basic price 14,650 plus 879. Just add how much coming? It will be how much? 9 15,529 is the total cost price, means including sale tax. Means the customer will pay 15,529. Again I am repeating, this is one of the important application of percentage. Here list price of the refrigerator given, rate of sale tax given 6%. It is always calculated on list price or basic price. Directly you can calculate, but I am showing the step by step. First of all, you find sale tax. How much sale tax will be charged on the list price 14,650, means 6% of this. It is coming 879. Therefore, the cost price will be list price plus sale tax. This is the formula required. You can calculate cost price. Okay. I think it is clear. Let us go question number 2. Next question. Tanvi bought a watch for rupees 1980, including VAT or at 10%. Means rate of VAT given, value added tax given 10%. This is similar to that of sale tax only. Rate of VAT given 10%, and the cost price including VAT, means including VAT how much given? Rupees 1980. It is given. And you have to find out the original price of the watch. You have to find out original price of watch. Okay. So let the original price of the watch be X. Let the original price of the watch be X. Then plus VAT. VAT means 10%. 10% of X equal to 1980. I think it is clear. The original price I have taken as X. Original price plus VAT, that is 10% of X, is equal to 1980. This is the equation. Now take X common here. What left here? 1 plus 10% means 10 by 100, which is equal to 1980. 0 0 cancel. This will be X will be how much? This will be 10 plus 1, 11 by 10. That means this will be 1980 into 10 will go up 10 by 11. 11 1 is 11, 11 8 is 88, and 0. Therefore, X coming how much? X is equal to 180 into 10 means 1800. 1800 is basic price or original price of the watch. The original price of the watch is 1800. Original price of the watch is equal to 1800, including VAT 10%, is coming 1980, 1980. This is very important application of percentage. How to calculate VAT if cost price is given, original price you have to find out. Let us go next number 3. Next question. Mohit bought a shirt for rupees 1337.50 including VAT. Means cost price given. Including VAT, how much given? Rupees 1337.50. 1337.50 paisa means 1337.50 is the cost price including VAT. Rate of VAT given 7%. And you have to find out the original price of the shirt. So let the original price of the shirt be X. Let the original price of the shirt be X. So now the original price X plus VAT, how much? 7%. Means 7% of X, which is equal to 1337.50. Now just to see, take X common here. 1 plus 7% is 7 by 100. It is coming how much? 1337.50. Taking LCM, this will be 107 by 100. Now 100 will go off. 1337.50 into 100 divided by 107. If I multiply 100 here, this point will vanish. That is 1337.50 divided by 107. Just divide, you will get the original price of the shirt. Okay. If you divide, it is coming 1250. Therefore, the basic original price of the shirt is equal to, therefore, the original price of the shirt equal to how much? 1250. I think these are clear sums. Next question. Next question is given, just to see. Next question. Corona bought 10 gram of gold for rupees 15,756, including VAT at 1%. Means total cost price including VAT given 15,756, rate of VAT given 1%. What is the rate of gold for 10 gram? Means actual cost price of the gold you have to find out. Okay, let us solve. First, write what are the things given in this question. Cost price given, rate of VAT given. So let the basic price or original price be, let the basic price be X for 10 gram gold. So now the basic price X plus VAT will be 1%. 1% of 15,700, sorry, 1% of X actually. Basic price I have taken X, na? X plus 1% of X equal to 15,756. Take X common. What do you 1 plus 1% means 1 by 100 equal to 15,756. X will be how much? 15,756 into 100 divided by 100 plus 1 means 101. Just calculate here. How to divide? How much coming? If you divide 15,756 divided by 101, it is coming 156. 156 into 100, this will be 15,600. This is the actual price of the 10 grams sold. As for the question, they are asking what is the rate of gold for 10 grams. Rate of gold means the actual cost. Rate of gold, just write here. Therefore, rate of gold means without VAT. Rate of gold, rate of gold, rate of gold for 10 gram. For rate of for 10 gram equal to how much? Rupees. Rupees 15,600. Okay. This is the final price. Let us go next question. Let us go next question. Mohini purchased a computer for rupees 37,960 including VAT at 4%. So what is the original price of the computer? Let the original price of the computer be X. The first one what is given in this question? Cost price including VAT given 37,960, rate of VAT given 4%. Okay, let's see how to solve. So in this question given cost price including VAT given 37,960, rate of VAT given 4%, let the original price of the computer be X. Now original price plus VAT, that is 4% of X, equal to how much? 37,960. Take X common here, it will be 1 plus 4 by 100, 4% 4 by 100 equal to 37,960. Okay. Now this will be 100 4 by 100, X is equal to 37,960 into 100 divided by 104. Just simplify, you will get the result. Okay. How much coming? If you divide it, is coming 365. 365 into 100, that is 36,500. 36,500. Therefore, the original price, just write, therefore, the original price of the computer equal to how much? Rupees 36,500. In this way, I have discussed 5 questions from the chapter application of percentage, especially sales tax, value added tax, how to calculate. Thank you for today's class. Next day I will do more.